So, first one, the string reversal. Write a program that takes a string as an input and reverses it, display the reverse string on the console. So, how I did it, first and foremost, with C++, you have to include the libraries. So, first header library that I included was the IO stream. This just helps with the inputs and output methods, something like cout or let me write that okay. So this calls for the inputs and output method. And then this one is for the reverse, the method that has the reverse. So we're using a namespace. So these inputs and output comes from the standard namespace. So this is for a global variable. Then inside our main function, it must always return 0 as a success. So at the start of the program, it's going to first define two variables. So these variables, this is to store the inputs, and then this is just a completed message. So when the program first runs, it's first gonna see out, and it's seeing out this text here that prompts the user to enter the string that they want to reverse. And then our cin method allows the user to enter one string. So I'll explain and I'll explain why it only takes the first string that you enter, not two. So if you say hello world, it will only take hello. Then this will be our reverse method coming from this library here. And then we are going to display the reverse text here. So if I run the program, well, first you prompted to enter the input, the string that we want to reverse. So if I say hello, it'll reverse that first string. So to refactor the code, to make sure that so it cannot take the whole line. So to change the code, I first have to use this thing here. I'll change this code here and use the get line. So the get line method, also comes from the standard library, allows us to enter the whole sentence and then store that whole sentence in this text variable here. So the get line just basically does the same thing, but except this time we can take the whole line. So if I say hello world, it will reverse the whole of hello world like that. So that is the string reversal.